All right, this is the SPLD. It is a new bag from Veto Pro Pac. If you guys were using the SPMC and thought it was too small, or you were contemplating maybe that this was not gonna work for you, they have a larger version now with a much wider base if that was your concern. Feels too tippy, anything like that. So in this video, we're just gonna kind of load it out with some tools. I had used it for a while and I switched back and forth with it. It is great. It is a little bit deep. Just keep that in mind if you guys are going on rooftops. And we'll just get into it. And for those of you that need a tablet on you on a job site, you can get that with the back pouch there. And if you're like me, a business owner, and you don't like dealing with phone calls ringing off the hook while you're trying to get work done, check out our sponsor, CallRail. They offer an AI voice assist, which essentially answers the calls for you while you're out there doing what you need to do. If you're a small business, you know that you're in the field and you're running the business, trying to do a balancing act of both. So why not let CallRail help you out? They can also help you out with marketing. If you need to know where to spend that money, you don't want to waste it, let CallRail help you with your marketing, spending, and your calls. And you know, you don't lose any leads. I've had so many that, you know, go to voicemail when my dad was in charge of it, and then I took over and had this call answering service in place, and now I see every single lead. I can call back the ones I need to. It'll filter out all the spam calls, so I'm not wasting time calling back numbers I don't need to. And a lot of the customers that are serious about work actually leave a message, schedule something with our automation stuff in place. So like I said, check out the link down below for CallRail and try it for yourself. So on this one, you have a big, you know, open flap here. So you have your removable side little pockets here. You have your drill holster here. And then you have a very small pouch that holds a few things, not much. And then this is the bag itself. So the difference on this one and the SPMC obviously is size, and they're able to squeeze in down here another panel in the front. So you can see that you have the same storage, which is a 4 vertical tool pockets there. You got a stretchy pocket and then just a big pocket. And then you can see some more, which is always hard to get out. Actually 3 on a V-swap panel here. So you can actually also have extra storage here. Like if you want organized tools there in the front, or you can just take it out completely, and that kind of opens up some space down there. You can see that there's quite a bit now. You can see the bottom of the base, and you can throw some other things in there. So you have this clear see-through pocket down here. You have this flap that goes up, and that same pocket is accessible on this side as well. And then you have that little front pouch here that has some bit storage right in there. So nice big deep pocket right here. You do have your hanging hook back here. You have, I think, yeah, D-rings right here, and then 2 more on the side over here. And then you got your bigger flap here, and that's just an open pocket. So I usually throw in like my clamps, or if you guys want to throw like a tablet in there, if you need that for your job, you can do that. And that is the bag in a nutshell. So typically what I carry in here is, you know, some screwdrivers. I got some pressure probes for work, for HVAC. I always carry 1 psychrometer on me. And then we got some plier wrenches here that I kind of just throw there. I'm currently using the Milwaukee cutters and crimps, and I like to slide those just on that side. There's an opening there. And then I got my Milwaukee needle nose strippers, and I'll throw that on the other side pocket there. And then I carry my connectors in a pill box, so we'll throw that just somewhere in the front. And on both sides, you do get these little pen pockets, really small pen pockets, so I'll throw my precision screwdrivers on those pockets, just so I can always have that for electronics. Gotta have the Klein flip socket set here. We'll just throw that in one of the pockets. And a Klein thermometer as well. Milwaukee task light. I just like this one because on the smaller bags, I don't have to worry about it. It just kind of slides in the front. Now for my, I do use a drill holster. I put it on this side. And we put our impact over here. For me, on this pouch, I'll put my clamps. So I got my JBs. Those fit fine. And then they're gonna come out with the Evo system. I have a prototype basically. This is what would be the MPM Evo. So it has that magnetic flap back here. If you guys wanna put it up on a panel, you can take it out. If you carry it in your pocket, you can take it out and put it up on a panel of an AC unit or whatever you're working on. And you can also put it on any other Evo system, or if you have any of these, the SPMC or the SPLD that has those removable sides, you can also slide this in without smashing my finger. And that's how I've been using it. So on this side is where I carry my meter, because this is a meter version of this pouch. My meter, some thermometers, adjustable wrenches, some other wrenches that I have for the work that I do, a knife, and markers. So all that fits on that side. And this bag can be closed if you want. Sometimes I'll have the meter inside. You have a lot of room in here, and you can throw some stuff out here if you need to, but you know, however you want to put it. Drill on this side, and you know, we're good to go. So just kind of wanted to show you really quick the bag itself. This is the SPLD, and you would just need to put the shoulder strap to carry it around with you if you need to, because I do rooftops and stuff like that, so I gotta constantly have it strapped to me somehow. But if you guys are residential or you work in the kitchen like I do, you can just kind of walk in, set it down. This one won't tip over, and work out of it when you open the flap. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just kind of wanted to go through it and show it really quick. I believe most of these bags are going to be out for the spring promotion. That's always a good time to pick up some Veto bags, get some stuff for free. And I went through their catalog if you guys want to see what's coming, because a lot of that stuff is coming very soon. Again, probably for spring. So go check out that video. I did a video on all their new products, including the Evo system. I'll leave it linked down below.